Hi, hello there. Congratulations to you if you're still watching this video right now. I really want to assure you that you are gonna be in the money very soon because you have done the most important thing right now, getting started to watch the video, which is the first thing. Now, in this step, we're gonna talk about getting traffic. Which is just about traffic is what gets you paid. Because without traffic, nothing's gonna work. You've done this great work, but you also need traffic, which is promoting. Yeah, so before we start talking about traffic, we need to first of all test our setup, because there's no point in promoting a setup which you haven't tested to see how it's actually working for you. Now, what we want to do right now is that we want to test it, and what we have to do is to test this whole flow to make sure it's working very well. Before we start talking about traffic, you need to first of all copy the landing page link, which is what is here. This is what what you have here. This is a landing page link as we copied the other time. So just copy this and paste it in the browser. You can click right there to click incognito mode. Then enter. See, this should bring us to the first form. The landing page just opened up, and actually I see something wrong. We have enter email addresses, and if you in any way got this, there's no reason for you to fear. Actually, I'm going to explain what happened and how you're going to fix this. So right now what happened is that this other email address came over because I said this email field should automatically be put into the form by Google. So all you have to do is go back to your form, and then this is the email. This is the one that was automatically input by Google because we selected this here. So you can always remove this and click save. But if that doesn't, you see the email is gone. So you have the one that you did by yourself, manually, which is going to go into the email field. Because if you didn't remove that, there's no way you're going to add any. Let's say you want to add image or any stuff to this, you won't be able to do that. So this is already set like this. So now let's go back to check our landing page. This will have already been corrected. As you can see, this is awesome, right? So now the first thing you want to do, what is the name? Okay, I'm writing job, and what's my email? I'm going to write job map for you. Now all fields that are required. That means if they didn't put their name or email, they're not going to be able to submit the form. That's why it has put required. So let's submit our form. As you can see, how to lose weight. Click the link below to get the link to get the how to lose weight and live naturally LT. So let's click on this. Well, we have a link to submit another response, and in this you can if you don't want this to show, you can also go back here, because I noticed, I'm not sure if I let's go to presentation, show link to another. Okay, there's nothing you can do to that. All you have to just do, just go back. You can't edit, you can't see submit another response. Now let's click on this link and let's see where it's going to take us to. See, this took us right into the slide share. Let's say it's going to be the full version, as we said. As you can see, you want to make sure you do this check for your process. Make sure you check everything. Alright, let's check the last page. Alright. Wow. Let's click. Let's see what's happening there right here. Wow. It's taking us to PayPal. Alright, you can see now this is the payment page. Asking them to pay $499. If they have a PayPal account, they have to log in to pay. If they don't have, they have to sign up to pay. Well, this is awesome. This shows that this process is working, and as long as you're sure you pasted the correct link to the second page, then for sure after they make this payment, they're going to get directed to the second form. Now, what do we do? Let's check out our second form also. To like whatever email address we want to use, we're going to type it right now, doberman23 whatever, and next thing we want to do, we want to put a name, just like job. I'm going to submit this form right now, and let's see where it's going to take us to. Alright, now it's going to take them. You can see get a full thanks for the purchase. Click the link below to get a full PDF. So of course, if they actually pay for this, they're going to click this. And let's see, it's actually taking them to the full PDF. Wow, so we're there. We took them to the full PDF, and this shows that our setup is accurate. And you can see anybody can get a full PDF here. You can get it online, and even if someone got it for free, you can click on this link over here, and you can get access to the full version. Shows that our setup is complete. Now let's talk about getting traffic, as I said earlier on. So how do we get traffic? First of all, putting this PDF right now on SlideShare is actually giving you some free traffic. Yes, because people always find this product by themselves. People always find this product that you put on SlideShare by themselves. When they search with laws, and when they search this thing, this is going to be like a free forever traffic for you. So now that is the automated traffic. Now, what about you promoting this by yourself? How do you think you can get traffic to this by yourself right now? In which you don't have to wait for this one to start sending you traffic over time. As in, how do you start generating traffic right now? Yeah. Now let me show you that. You remember in the early part of this video, we actually went to Facebook and we tried searching for how to lose weight group to verify our audience. And right then I mentioned to you that this is actually going to be used later on for us. Now you can see, how do you get traffic from Facebook? Of course, you can post this link on your Facebook page, expect people to click, your friends click, but you don't know if your friends want to lose weight or not. But when you come to Facebook, you have groups that people that want to lose weight have joined. They want to learn information about how to lose weight. So what do? The first thing you do is this. When it comes to how to, you can see I have already typed how to lose weight, just like it was in the first page when I tried it. So what we're going to do right now, how to lose weight, of course we're going to be in groups. We're going to have to be in a public group. Public groups. Then public groups are groups where you can join, and when you join, you can post content there. Unlike closed private groups, you can post, you can only read what they have been posted, and that is not good for promotion, except you want to be messaging people individually one by one, and that is going to take a lot of time. I don't recommend it. I recommend you do this. Okay, you come over here, you join all these weight loss groups as much as you can, but I recommend to you, don't join more than 10 at a time, so Facebook is not going to give you a block check or try to lock you out for some days. Join like up to like 10 every let's say you want to join like 30 group in a day. All you have to do is join 10 in the morning, join 10 in the afternoon, then join 10 in the evening. This way you spread it over, and Facebook is not going to block you out. Or sometimes make sure you don't join more than 20 groups in a day, and that's all. But don't join it at a go every time. Divide this so that Facebook is not going to block you out. So when you join these groups, what does it going to do? When you join groups and you have been approved into the groups that you join, if it is public group, the admins are gonna let you post. Some of the groups are gonna ask you questions to answer. Just go ahead and just answer it. Some are gonna ask for emails. Some are gonna ask, are you sure you want to lose this? Some are gonna ask, why do you want to join this particular group? They're gonna ask you so much question, and based on your niche, you have to type whatever you want to promote in this search bar. Because I type how to lose it because that was what I used in this demonstration. So you have to type yours and then join as much group as you can. Join every day until you can't join anymore. So when you join this group, start posting your landing page link, which is this landing page. This is what you're going to be promoting. Just make sure you promote, write a good description, tell them it's free, let them know it's free, and add a good description. And if you can add an image, nice, fine, add an image and post it to this group. The admins are really going to be happy that you are posting stuff for free. And a lot of them, if the admin checks the content before they approve, all they need to just see is they click, they see okay, they go and they put their email and they see that actually you're offering something for free. They're going to let the post go into the page, and that's one winner for you. And also in this process, you are building your free email list, and this is also nice for you because you are building free email list, hot email list, and you have a cold email list. And that is all about getting traffic. And although I'm going to talk more about how to get advanced automated traffic in which you don't have to do anything. And I'm still going to leave a link there's a link already in the description, which is the contact me, where we're going to, those of you that have problems, those of you that don't have a PayPal account, those of you that don't have a kickback account, and those of you that want advanced automated traffic that you don't have to start sending traffic all the time. So this, you're still gonna get it. You're still gonna get more info in that video. With this, I have to close the section about getting traffic, and I hope you can start putting this into practice right now. And now I have to talk about the conclusion, where we're gonna do a whole general overview of all the setup that you've done. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.